Hello, my friends, and welcome back to another episode of MTD CNC North America. Today, I'm with my buddy Scott at Ultra Machining Company here in Minnesota, a company that was started in 1968 in a garage. And today, I have the great pleasure to learn from Scott, just like you guys do, to learn a little bit more about Ultra, what their plans are for the future, how they started in the past, and everything in between. So thank you all for joining, and Scott, thank you for sharing this story with the MTD audience.
Yeah, you're very welcome. Yeah, well, 1968, UMC was founded by Terry Tolman in his garage. After a period of time and in his garage there, he moved out to a facility in Hamel, Minnesota, a nice little country abode there, and they continued to grow and expand for about, 20 or so more years. And 2003 approximately, we found ourselves in this new current 73,000 square foot facility where we have now become kind of filled to the brim with equipment, as Tony has seen, finding these nooks and crannies to fill in here. So UMC has, over the last several decades, has had a very steady trajectory of continued growth. The company has transitioned from the founder, Terry Tolman, to a second generation run business, who's now our president is Donald Tolman.
So started in 1968 in a garage, now 75,000 square feet. You have, I believe, around 65 machines. What are some of the core values of this company that's helped you grow so extensively over the years?
Oh, I think definitely it's our passion for machining precision parts, our value that we invest into our employees to run this equipment, to make decisions that benefit the company. We just love having our employees engaged in the decision making and how we process parts. Their input is invaluable. We also value our core values such as integrity, that we always want to make sure we're doing the right thing around here for ourselves, each other, and our customers.
Thank you on behalf of myself only this time. A lot of times I do it on behalf of others as well, for that integrity. It shows since the moment I walked in the door to talk with you, Scott, and to everyone I've bumped into here, it's very noticeable that integrity matters to you. And I know you place a lot of value on your coworkers and employees as well, because without them, what do we have, right?
Yeah, indeed, that's very true. Yeah, and we just love to create a nice work environment. As you can see, the building is really clean. I mean, whatever. I've been here every day. I know every little speck of dirt, but no, we pride ourselves in a very nice working environment. We try to get the best equipment out here in front of our employees, give them the best opportunity for success. Yeah, we definitely would not be where we are today if it wasn't for the people that led the charge, carried the torch before me, and the ones that are currently building today that are giving us a great opportunity, which in 2 months we'll be opening up another 60,000 square foot facility right next door to this building.
Oh, Scott, you beat me to my next question, was that it's abundantly obvious that you have invested in top-of-the-line machinery as I look around. We're standing in front of an automated cell on a Matsura, a couple more over here. Matsura is not all you have. You have a lot of great machines here. However, started in 1968, moving into now, and you just mentioned it, what are the plans for the next 50 years? Because I see a brand new building being constructed out there.
Yeah, the next 50 years, boy, I hope we're going to consume all that space we have before then. But, right now, we've got a 60,000 square foot facility that is just about 2 months away from being opened up. But we do have purchased land to fulfill our dream of about a 250,000 square foot manufacturing facility. So we have land and space to expand, to build out onto our current facility. And when we built our design first and then built the new addition we're putting in, what we've done is we built in an entire infrastructure that would be required to support all the expansions. So we've pretty much got all our investment up front and all the hard work done up front. So, in 5 years from now, and when we kick down that wall and put the next 80,000 square feet, we just put up walls and we put machinery in there. All the infrastructure is already in place.
So impressive, so impressive. And watching your growth inspires me. The honor to be here to talk to you, I'm grateful for that as well. The new facility, when I'm walking around here and I see all of these machines, and a lot of us fight for real estate, right? So we're always trying to figure out how our layout's gonna work best, how we can get the most out of the employees that are working, the automation that we're now adapting to our models. But your new facility, as you mentioned to me, is almost like a fresh start as to what you can do there, to the point of air being recycled, climate control, a very specific type of floor, because precision is one of the key components here at UMC, at Ultra, to make sure that your partners out there that you do work with get the best components, not years from now, not months and months from now, but as soon as possible, shortest lead times, highest quality. So you've invested in the future of your company in that new building.
Yeah, that's a very good statement. And yes, we truly believe here at UMC that the building and our processes, our people, and our equipment, it's a very close relationship, and a marriage we kind of call it. So what we wanted to do is we want to marry up our equipment and our core competency in precision manufacturing with an environment that can also support that. So we've gone to great lengths to create thermal controls, vibration controls. We've basically created about 40,000 square feet where all the equipment can be positioned anywhere at a moment's notice should we choose to. You know, we're really looking at equipment density to maximize our output per square foot. So a lot of the equipment that we're purchasing and how we lay it out, we have an opportunity in this new building that we don't have right now in our current facility. So it's really exciting to have this kind of greenfield approach to our next, how would you say, our giant leap into the next realm of our manufacturing.
Well, we've talked about the importance of precision. We've talked about the growth of your company. We've talked about how you value the co-workers and employees that are here. We've talked about launching in 1968 and the growth up till now. So I can only imagine the viewers out there watching going, yeah, but what do they make? So what industries do you work in currently?
All right, well, UMC specializes in, well, complex, high precision, high tolerance components, and we really cut our teeth in highly regulated industries. So you're going to find us in the aerospace, the medical, defense, and then we do a fair amount of commercial as well, but we really shine in the highly regulated industries.
Well, I know I almost sound like a broken record at this point, guys, or maybe a DJ that does the scratching of the records, but a lot of us are constantly looking for quality people to bring into our facility. And I know that your machines require very high quality people to come in here. So are you hiring, are you constantly looking for more people to bring into Ultra as you grow as well?
Oh, absolutely. We are always looking for, the next genius of manufacturing. They're out there. We got a whole bunch of them here, and we think very highly of some of these people who come in and support our complex equipment and processes. So we're always hiring. We're always looking at training and expanding people's skill sets. There's an enormous amount of opportunity here. And one thing I gotta say is it's not the machining of the past. With these different levels of automation, it requires a new type of machinist, so to speak. And we're finding out that we got a much closer marriage of machining and engineering. So with the automation paired with the complex equipment, the high expectations of output, the quality and the regulatory, I mean, our machinists on the floor right now are well versed in engineering, the regulatory controls, the quality side of things, the automation side of it. We offer a full package and a great challenge to anybody that wants to come in and join us at UMC.
Well, if I was a machinist right now, I would certainly give it a look, just based on knowing the technology here and how much I would grow personally by learning this technology. Plus, you're in a beautiful part of the country. You have a great team here. So for those looking to reach out to you, Scott, to reach out to your team, to reach out to Ultra, where can they find you? What website, what socials, where can they look you up and learn a bit more?
Oh, we have a nice website. It's ultramc.com. Just go ahead and Google us or type that into your URL browser, and we'll pop up there. You see what we're about, the type of equipment we have. Job openings are out there, so they're fully listed. So we've got a pretty comprehensive website that'll walk you through what our capabilities are and where we like to be and who we'd like to see come visit us.
Beautifully said. Thank you so much for sharing, Scott. I know the audience loves hearing about these kind of U.S. manufacturing companies that are growing, that are looking to bring new people in, that have a history of 50 years, looking to the future to continue growing. So on behalf of MTD and myself, thank you, thank UMC, thank you for allowing us to come in and share this story with the global audience.